Breakfast in the garden. Thought you'd just like to enjoy a peaceful morning for a few seconds out here with me. Vern's back there at the end of the path turning the compost. We're in the city, so you can hear a plane, a little small plane once in a while fly over, or you can hear some traffic, but mostly for a city garden, it's peaceful and it's a nice place to have breakfast every day. I'm going to go in and make some assam in a little while, and then start work for today. Here comes Vern. Our sale this week is coconut blends. Have a delicious chocolate coconut, a white tea with shredded coconut, which is delicious. We have an oolong that has pineapple and coconut, tropical oolong. And see what the fourth one is. Oh, it's coconut oolong, just real coconutty. It's a green oolong, which means it's between green and oolong, the stage of oxidation that is just between green and oolong. So it's classified as an oolong, but the leaves look very green. Our teas are packaged in craft bags. And they are foil lined, so it keeps the freshness in and all the light out. And when you store your teas, please don't put them in glass containers, especially if they're not somewhere dark, because light will continue to oxidize the tea, and that's not something that you want. And it should be sealed very, very tightly. Our craft bags have Ziplocs, you can squeeze the... My battery is running out, so I will end it here. Have a peaceful day.